Hello po. Ayan, may pasalubong po si tatay. What is that? Cookies. Sprinkled cookies. Oh, you get the scissors so that we can open it?
What does it cost?
I don't know. How much is this? Because I'm not the one who buy it. Who bought it?
Tate buy for
The
you.
past tense of buy is bought.
Kasi kailangan niya yun.
Because Tatay love Ilyas and Gidi. That's the reason why there's Tatay and Gidi and Kuya and me.
Picturean mo ako.
Bakit kita pipicturean?
Dance ako.
Magdadance ka? O sige, 1, 2, 3, dance! Oh, ayan pa yung isa, ayan pa yung isa. Wow, ang galing naman ni Gidi. Ang galing naman. Ang galing naman. Ganyan ba yung usong sayaw ngayon? Eh, parang karate yan na. Okay. I'll take a look with you. Wow. You made it. Kuya Ilyas naman. Galing lang ah. Oh, you say thank you for watching. Thank you po sa pasalubong. Bye-bye. Open it na. Get mo nga yung scissor. How we can open this? We don't have scissor.
Marunong ka naman mag-black clip.
Backlip? Hindi ako marunong ng backlip. Ikaw ba marunong ka mag-backlip? Turuan mo nga kami mag-backlip. Paano ba nagba-backlip? Thank you for the scissor.
High pressure.
May high pressure. And then,
And yellow.
yeah, the scotch tape is yellow. You hold it.
Ayaw naman.
So, there you go. There you go.
That's so
And
sticky.
1, 2, 3. Open.
Oh,
Oh, cover it now. Oh, what's the taste? Tastes so good. That's all. Thank you for watching.